marker from there, put it in here, take the cap off, put the cap there, take the marker, put it in the centrifuge, and then keep doing that for 4 more markers. And then the thing's going to spin while alcohol gets pumped into the case on top. The alcohol will flow into each of the markers while it spins. The centrifuge will help pull the alcohol into the end of the markers, and then the robot will take the markers out of the centrifuge, put them back here while the caps get put back on one by one, and the completed markers will be put up in the box over there.
If you have 2 centrifuges, you could be, you could be working on the one while it's spinning on the other one.
That is true. Yeah.
We had enough trouble with the one.
Unfortunately, while we were programming the robot yesterday, in the process of closing one of the cases, it broke the connection between the cases and the tank at the top. And then that caused it to be extremely unstable, and so the program that we had that was working for opening and closing these cases using the robot was no longer working because we used some resistance to be able to get underneath the case and lift it up. So unfortunately, that part of the program had to be eliminated, so we will be lifting these by hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understand how that goes. Okay. Well, let's run it. See what we got.
Oh, the robot's not in the wrong mode.
Hold on.
When it start.
It's just a sneak
Yeah.
preview.
The
Oh,
trailer.
it's
A preview of what we'll cover.
The trailer.
Yeah, exactly.
Is it ready?
Yeah. We'll be here for a little while.
You're not running at 100% speed? I mean,
Not after the first part.
See, that's some fine tuning could.
Well, we didn't want to have it start in a scary spot, then instantly just dash.
yeah.
So-
No, going slow is perfectly fine. Perfectly appropriate.
Movements are 15, which is pretty fast.
In case something
You stop just in case.
Oh, jeez.
Ooh, deep tapping.
The reason for going all the way around like that is because of the limits that the robot has
Yeah.
built in.
Yeah, no, that's clever path planning. Yeah, when you start out, it seems like this table's plenty big. But once you have to make the robot get to places, it starts to feel a little crowded.
The only thing is that the tube is probably not primed.
Whoa, did it not close?
This one's on the pretty good.
Interesting.
No, that's never happened before.
Yeah, there'll be lots of things that never happened before. Yeah, Murphy's that word.
We looked at completely automated factories in class,
this one will require a little bit of human supervision.
What's your
robot?
You don't think you're going to have this machine running 30 days unattended?
Not in its current configuration.
Not even 30 seconds.
Your admiration for FANUC engineers has gone up. This is why Teddy gets paid the big bucks.
Is that the part you're doing by hand? Closing?
Yeah.
Didn't that part used to be done by the robot, and did you just remove that?
Well,
Yeah.
it's because the connections got broken, and so it just shifts everywhere.
Because for the programming, it's based on, you know, a very specific orientation.
Well, point.
Obviously, we need machine vision, so it can see where the fixturing has moved to.
Or just fix the fixturing.
Oh, yeah.
We kind of ran out of time.
Yeah. There we go.
Beautiful.
Oh, the next one's going to be
Fun.
close call.
We've gotten it there in the past, so we'll see what happens.
You have run it through all four.
We have.
Several times.
Several times. One more. There you go.
To do. Oh, there we go.
Nice. That was awesome.
It worked.
Jared's going to have a sore thumb here. Tensed over E-stop.
Spent a lot of time with my fellow Reeds guys.
Yeah, wait, when it stops, is it gonna put the same caps on the same pens?
It should, yeah.
This is the special
Oh, wow.
color mixing version. It's random color caps on
Makes it fun.
things. This is the other place we need machine vision.
Are these robots for university use, or are these also like industrial applications? This brand.
That's is nothing designed for education about it.
Okay.
It is straight off
Industrial.
the industrial production line.
Is this one gonna land?
Now it is
They all
the
landed.
model that they call the general application. They have more specialized ones for welding and
Guys, it's not gonna stay
material
together.
handling. But they're not very much different. They just have a little bit different cabling and stuff. Oh, here we go.
It's a little wobbly.
So I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's definitely some cases that aren't even attached to the tank.
And where's the alcohol going here then? Because I see it's pumping.
Mostly into the markers, but you'll start to see some drips.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we won't start to see some ink flying.
No.
So
Okay.
we were under the impression that if we had more time to design a new part and have it be a little bit more structurally stable, there would be much less leakage. Because we could also get it spinning quite a bit faster too. And the centrifugal force would pull it more to the marker.
Yeah, probably spinning fast is not a good idea right now.
The speed is limited by.
It's difficult for Teddy to do anything to help it.
So it is somewhat intact.
It's a little centrifuge they built to help the liquid get down inside the pin, because they're filling it through the tip, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, and the tip, if you try and refill it, I mean, it's got to soak all the way through. And by
Oh,
spinning it
that
as
can
a
smell the alcohol.
centrifuge, the theory is that it'll soak it faster, it'll go down faster.
There's a small little gap between the felt and where it can draw back down into the reservoir.
Yeah. It was a very clever idea.
Gonna grab it correctly?
Difficult to implement, but very creative.
I mean, we could
I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Doing like this. Yeah, they might be used.
I mean, we kind of know what's going to happen.
Car assembly.
You're constantly for this part?
Any kind of assembly, yeah. Or maybe
Where's the time
disassembly. That's the case.
Yeah.
One of the reasons I wanted to design like
Have you guys actually
this
heard time
there wouldn't be
telling
any
things?
like mechanical wear.
She's doing the timer right now.
Like if you're taking
Technically,
on it off, if
yes.
you're sticking a needle in a certain
But how much time are
you
you
know, like
So-
hypothetically,
11
if you fill
minutes.
it for, like,
Oh, boy.
Okay, that's about
for more cycles.
Hey, Sean. We good?
There's the green parts are 3D printed, some of these black parts are 3D printed, but there's a lot of aluminum stuff that's obviously not 3D printed.
$5. Yes.
Oh, and now it comes up here and
Does
hammers
it
on.
do the Hayden special?
The Hayden special.
Okay.
Hayden's the other team over here.
So what you
Oh, okay, here's the hammer.
Hey!
Nicely done. Nicely done.
Special tooling for that operation.
Yeah, we custom made that part just for to do that job.
Yeah, right.
I
Very
can
carefully CAD designed for that.
Yep.
I can take responsibility for that. I'm okay with that.
All right, next
Oh,
group.
yeah. Well, it can be
know how it
done
works.
faster.